You're looking at the northern hemisphere of Saturn. This 20,000 mile wide hexagon is baffling NASA scientists, planetary scientists worldwide. You see, information has become compartmentalized, and many people are unable to think outside the box. The hexagon is intriguing, but not unique. And the weird hexagon on Saturn is way bigger than scientists thought. The sharp-cornered structure extends a staggering 180 miles above the ring planet's cloud tops. And they claim that it has existed for at least 38 years. I purport that it has probably existed time immemorial, forever. Now, Saturn's weird hexagon is a vortex storm. Why it retains this pattern is anyone's guess. Why is the hexagon everywhere? It's just not on Saturn. It's on the backs of tortoises, polygonal columnar jointing of lavas. The hexagon is everywhere. Did you know this? This might be an extension of Saturn's hexagon. When you rotate water in a container at very high speed, the inner hull takes the shape of a hexagon. This might be the key to unlocking why Saturn's pole clouds take this shape. It also might be the key to unlocking many things about the universe. Now, as you rotate water, the shape started to appear about 7 revolutions per second in the lower speeds. The first shape is a triangle, and then it changes into a square, then a pentagon, and at the highest speed, you get a hexagon. How about bees? Honeycombs are hexagons. How about dragonfly eyes? The list goes on and on. It all comes back to sacred geometry, eternal symbols. In a pre-literate world, the oldest evidence of great knowledge or inner teachings is expressed by means of geometry. You must look at this from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3. You get the triangle, and 4, the goddess. 5, the star. The pentagram. 6, the hexagon. 7. It's sacred geometry at its finest. Vitruvian Man. All the great minds knew about the hexagon. Here's basalt. Why nature prefers hexagons is anyone's guess. I would say that it has to do with the electrical nature of the universe and its infinite nature, and the fact that you get the best packing with the hexagon in three-dimensional space. Here's ruby in its mineral form, corundum. Here are some mud cracks, nautiloids and fossils, hexagonal. Check out these quote-unquote craters. Hexagon much? I would say this is these are electrical in nature. And even here we have a 3,000-year-old, perfectly formed, man-made hexagon that no one can explain. Hexagons are everywhere, geologically speaking. It's that doggone hexagon. Do you guys know that when you pack bubbles of the same size as tightly as you can, you get hexagons? Bees know. Magnetic balls know. Bubbles know. Quantum foam knows. Check it. Take a look at this crater. Not. These are some hexagonal Mars quote unquote craters. Equilibrium states and ground state of two-dimensional fluids and foams gives you hexagons. Here's a paper. Take a look at it. Take a look at the diagram. Looks like a beehive to me. Our next science update, we're going to be talking about teleporting a quantum gate. Hexagons are everywhere. It's part of sacred geometry. It's part of Gnostic information. This is what we should be taught in schools. Yet there is never even a mention. Are you feeling hexagonal? Boom.